Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on how to sign all signature fields in a signature request document in one step using BoldSign. The Enable Sign Everywhere feature is essential, as it enables signers to efficiently sign all signature fields with a single click, saving time and streamlining the process. It also enhances productivity, ensures consistency with standardized signatures, and improves document accuracy. This feature only applies if the sender has enabled the Enable Sign Everywhere option, and the signer has added the default signature and enabled the Apply Saved Signature in all signature fields by default option. Let's consider a scenario where an HR manager in an organization oversees the employee training process. Upon successfully completing training sessions, the HR manager must obtain the employee's signature on the course completion form. This form comprises multiple sections, each requiring the employee's signature. To enhance the efficiency of this process, the HR manager decides to activate the Enable Sign Everywhere feature. This feature allows signers to apply their default signature to all fields with a single click. This will only be applicable if the signer had enabled Apply Saved Signature in all signature fields by default in their profile settings. This simplifies the signing process and saves time. Let me demonstrate how to do that in detail. First, I access the BoldSign application page and expand the settings menu. I choose Business Profile to navigate to the Business Profile page. Only the account administrator can access the business profile settings. Next, I move to the Enable Sign Everywhere option. I activate this option to allow signers to apply their signature to all the signature fields in one step. I then save my changes by clicking the Save Changes button. Whenever the HR manager sends documents with multiple signature fields to employees, the signature fields will be filled in one step, provided the employees had enabled the Apply Saved Signature in all signature fields by default option. The HR manager needs to send the employee a course completion form for a signature. To do this, I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document page, where I upload the course completion form in the Add Files section. After that, I enter the employee's details in the Add Recipient section. I move forward by clicking Next, which takes me to the Configure Fields page. This is where I set up the form fields. Within the Employee Information section, I organize the form by dragging and dropping the name and email fields into their respective slots, ensuring that the name and email details are appropriately placed. Next, I drag and drop the signature fields for all the remaining sections. I then check my changes once and send the document out for signatures. Let's switch to the signer's side and see how to sign in one step. Let me demonstrate how to enable the Apply Saved Signature in all signature fields by default feature. I access the signer's BoldSign application page and expand the settings menu. I choose My Profile to navigate to the My Profile page. The default signature style is already set in the Manage Signature or Initial section. You can set your default signature here if you don't have one. Next, I navigate to the Settings section and move to Signature Settings. To enable the default signature to be automatically filled across all the signature fields, upon clicking any of the signature fields, I'll activate the Apply Saved Signature in all signature fields by default option. I then save my changes. Now the employee needs to sign the course completion form sent by the HR manager. To do this, I locate the course completion form from the My Document page and click to navigate to its Overview page. I click the Sign Document button to navigate to the signing page. The name and email fields are automatically populated. Here I need to review the document and add signatures. When I click any signature field, the default signature is automatically filled. The default signature is also automatically replicated across the signature fields in the remaining sections. If necessary, I can change my signature by right-clicking the signature field and selecting the Change Sign option. Then I can choose a signature and click the Accept and Use button in the Signature dialog box. I check my changes once and complete the signing process by clicking the Complete Signing button. That summarizes how to allow signers to sign all signature fields in one step using BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.